I took a couple, you know, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
And it goes a little something like
what you doing, babies? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa and I'm back again with a new look. Today's video is sponsored by CelieHair. Guys, this image is gorgeous. You need to try on. Let me start from the beginning. So if you order on CelieHair, you receive this purple bag. This is how you receive it. On the front it says CelieHair, and at the back swear. So let me unbox it on camera. Okay, let me admit it, I've already unboxed it before because I wanted to see how it was there. Okay, I've already unboxed it before, but anyway, I'm just going to do it again on camera to show you guys. Okay, a purple silk bag, a hairband. You receive some 2 pieces of wig cap. I also received this leaflet which tells you like how to take care of the hair care instructions. Okay, and at the back it says the social media, CelieHair, how to get in touch with them. Yeah, and girl, look at this. These are so pretty. Look at this, like, love it. Alright guys, last but not least is the wig. So this is a Bob Wig, 12 inches, 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's a red wine color hair. I'm so excited, like guys, I haven't had red wig for a while, like it's been a while, and I'm so glad that they actually sent me red hair because, you know, I'm trying something new. So this is she. Look at this. How is this going to fit me? Can't wait to install it. Alright, so this is inside of the wig. As you can see, you have got the lace at the front, a little lace at the back, adjustable straps. Alright guys, before we get into this video, you already know, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into this install, should we? Yeah.
Work. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my that. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line,
son hot gal. Your body son poison, les ou move en slow motion, Betty that way. Ven nan gouya doum jeune potion. Les ou work. Les ou descend bi babli ba. Les even bi dirt. Les ou bras serré en tant couillon ou la. Baby, do the work.
To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. I'm in the girl for my
Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body son poison, les ou move en slow motion, Betty that way. Ven nan gouya doum jeune potion. Les ou work. Les ou descend bi babli ba. Les even bi dirt. Les ou bras serré en tant couillon ou la. Baby, do the work.
To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. I'm in the girl for my
And it goes a little something like.
She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Yeah, 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 yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. As you can see, it came out looking born. I'll be looking so different. I don't know what you guys think. Yo, I'm obsessed, yo. Like, I'm being honest, I'm obsessed. First time working with CelieHair, and I give them a 10 out of 10 because baby, what is this? What is this? So bomb, so smooth, so soft. If you're looking to order this week, make sure you check out CelieHair. Don't worry, sis, I got the link down below, so you can check it out down below. Yes, girl. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you next in my next one. Shalom.